welcome to the Bearded Dad Stuff Productions YouTube channel. The reason I put together Bearded Dad Stuff is simple. I wanted to put together a place for average, everyday John Does and Jane Does to come and get helpful tips on keto-friendly meals, creativity, as well as fitness motivation, where it doesn't come from a guy or a girl that's super fit and you already feel defeated when you look at them. Will I get that way? Potentially. I was that way in high school and into college. I kind of let myself go after the dad portion. But the Bearded Dad Stuff Productions YouTube channel is just a way for us to come together and take it one step at a time. This is going to be my first video. It's going to be my air fryer keto-friendly lemon pepper wings. Definitely a tasty treat. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you after the video. Alright everyone, for my wings you're going to need a couple things. You're going to need, of course, chicken, kosher salt, olive oil, and some ground black pepper. So you're going to go ahead and open your kosher salt, give it a nice dusting, about 2 pinches, give it a quick roll, a couple flips. It touches my thumb there, so that's not good. So I almost stick my hand back in, but I use my other one to go ahead and distribute more salt. Give it a couple more rolls, a couple more flips, then I switch over to the ground black pepper. I go ahead and pour it in my hand and give it a pinch. You always want to do hand to bowl, so that way you don't, overdo it. Go ahead and give it another dusting, and I put it back in the container. As you remember, it did touch my hand, the chicken, so I went ahead and threw away this container because you don't want to do any cross-contamination. You're then going to get your air fryer basket and go ahead and spray some olive oil at the bottom. You never want to use any type of non-cooking spray such as PAM on an air fryer basket because it can potentially damage, and you spend a lot of money on your air fryer, don't want to ruin it. I sped up the footage here so that way you didn't see how long it took me to organize all the chicken, but you always want to do an over-end pattern just so you can fit as many as you can in the basket. Here we go. There should be about 3 more left. And we got it in there. Good single layer. So what you're going to do at this point is you're going to put it in your air fryer and you're going to set it for 380 for 25 minutes. You're going to give the air fryer a little bit. It's going to think, and then it'll kick back on. And what you're going to do at this point is you're going to go ahead and check on the wings every 5 minutes. You want to make sure that they're not burning. You want to make sure that there's no excessive oil collecting at the bottom of your air fryer, because if there is, you'll start seeing a white smoke coming out. It's not the end of the world. You just go ahead and open your air fryer basket and pop it back in. So here we have it at 20 minutes. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open the basket and give our wings a shake. Make sure they're not sticking to the bottom. Shake, shake, shake. We're going to go ahead and place them back in the air fryer. Like I said, we're going to check on them at every 5-minute increment just to make sure everything's going according to the plan. So we're down to the final minute of cooking, and I'm just staring at it and making sure the clock ticks down to that 0, and it's going to go ahead and go off right here. When it goes off, my air fryer takes a little bit to cool down, which is good because it lets the air circulate a little bit more, and then it'll finally finish up right about now. I'm going to go ahead and open and look at those lovely wings. Oh my God, they're already almost ready. So we're going to go ahead and give it a shake. Shake, shake. Make sure nothing's sticking. And at that point, what we're going to do is we're going to place it back in the air fryer, and we're going to bring it up to 400 degrees at 5 minutes. And the reason why I want to do that is because I want to make sure I have that extra crispy bite at the end. So it's going to kick back on again, and we'll let them cook for that 5 extra minutes. After the wings are done, you're going to go ahead and put them in a bowl, bucket, whatever you have. You're going to need some melted butter and of course some lemon pepper shake. So you're going to go ahead and take about a quarter cup of butter. I'll use about half of that quarter cup and place it in the wings and give them a quick toss. And then I go ahead and dust with some lemon pepper seasoning. Give them another quick toss. Some more lemon pepper seasoning. And one more quick toss. And once you're done, you plate them up, and this is how they look. Delicious. Love it. Alright, so there you have it, my 100% keto-friendly air fryer lemon pepper wings. I hope you enjoyed it. My kids sure did. If you did try this recipe, feel free to leave a comment down below. And be sure to hit that like button, as well as subscribe. We'll have a video about once every week. They'll range from, of course, like I said, keto-friendly recipes to stuff that you can do to help improve your fitness, as well as creative things, art and so forth, art, music, everything. Feel free to reach out to me on Twitter at BeardedDadStuff, Instagram as well at BeardedDadStuff. The Facebook page is coming soon, and I do stream pretty frequently on Twitch, twitch.tv/Zodiac_monkey. And if you are interested in wrestling, I am part of the Too Sweet Wrestling Podcast with Chris and Christine horror reviews, as well as Rob GR81, where we go over, of course, wrestling and things that suit our fancy. Well, you guys have a great one, and I hope to see you again.